Oh, morning everybody, it's Stack Smart here again, and I'm doing a little bit of analysis on the gold price at the moment because the charts are a lot clearer on the technical analysis on the gold price. So then I've got something quite exciting to show you after this. Now, last time we spoke I was talking about this falling wedge, and that I saw a rally off the falling wedge, and that occurred. It took us up to, just find the level for you, it rallied to 1298 from 1272, and that resolved that falling wedge pattern on the technical side, and since then we've been falling wedge again. Now, the interesting thing about this particular falling wedge is that there is quite a barrage onto this 1272 level. As you can see on the first falling wedge, it tried to pierce through 1272, and at the moment we've got a bit of a battle happening for this support at this level. So as you can see, I've drawn a line here at 1272. Now the thing is, if this support line is broken, we could see some more downside. At the moment there's a bit of a battle royale happening in this area to see if the specs can push it underneath this support and run it down. So it's interesting to watch. As you can see, they've tried to pierce through on 2 occasions now, here and here, and if they're able to push through this support line, it's possible we could see the next real support is down at the 1255, 1260 range. If they're unable to get through this resistance, you can see I've got a red line here underneath this falling wedge, that falling wedge, and that falling wedge, down to this 1270 level. If they can get it through this 1270 line, it's possible we might see some more downside. But what I'm favouring at the moment is there is a lot of resistance, and we're seeing these big candlesticks. There's one here at the bottom of this. It shows that it went down to 1272, but there was violent resistance. This is within an hour to push it back up and finish it, you know, where the candlestick starts again on the upside. And we've got exactly the same situation on this candlestick here. We saw it's almost an identical candlestick, and what that means is there was violent resistance to the 1270 level. So it's like what's called a shooting star type formation. It's not quite that. A shooting star is this type of one where we've got a like a firework rocket type thing. Anyway, so if this resistance line holds for any period of time, I suspect that we're going to get some more upside. It's going to break this falling wedge and we're going to rally again. So we'll see how that pans out over the next couple of days. We've got a non-farms payroll on the 6th of Feb in a week's time, so we'll see what happens then. Really excited about this particular coin at the moment. It's not a pick yet, it's available on the 9th of Feb, but it's coin 3 in the Birds of Prey series from the Royal Canadian Mint. Now these do suffer a bit from milk spots, but I really like the design of this new coin. It looks like the release is going to be the 9th of February, and yeah, this is another website sometimes I use if I'm looking for volume purchase. It ships from Germany, from coininvest.com, but I really like this coin. It's got a real great design to it. It's kind of a little bit of a whether it looks like it's just in the middle of taking off or something. But it's a fantastic thing, isn't it? Really impressed. And we've got the Queen, not my favourite Queen, on the back of these coins. I think the one on the Lunar series is a much better Queen, but yeah, that looks good. It looks like it's going to be released within the next fortnight, so I'm definitely going to buy at least one of these for the collection. So I've already got the other two so far, and I really like the designs of these Birds of Prey series. So there you go. I'm almost at my 500 mark. I've got 498. It's a little bit of a tease at the moment. So thanks for everybody who recently subscribed. Yeah, check out this resistance point at 1272 in gold, and silver's having a similar resistance, about 17.5 at the moment, and if it can pierce through those levels, then I think it's going to run down. But if it doesn't, I think we're going to see another resolution off this falling wedge to the upside. The technical analysis would indicate a rally, so long as that 1272 pivot point is maintained. And yeah, have a look at the new Bird of Prey on coininvest.com. You've obviously got like a pre look at it. So can't really talk today, but there you go. Some days are like that. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll talk to you next time. Hit me up on Twitter, it's StackSmart, and I'll speak to you probably tomorrow. Speak to you soon.